the patience. I only feel taking time with other women that ain't me, but I've been refusing applications. Please, till I got my hands on it, I'ma tell him I'll do for how long. He got me waiting, anticipating, dream. I want it over like a ring, like a ring. I want like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I'm like a big and shiny diamond that I can wave around and talk about it. And when the day is forgive me, call it, I can never doubt it. Until death, I do. Is he a bite? This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him that my grandma said it. Tell him grandma said it.
Your husband is coming.
Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay.
Hi, love. Ready na ba ka mahimong music sa blast? Hindi ka, mangulo na lang ta. Magpasalamat dito kang Lord kay ikaw ang gihatag niya sa ako. Ug syempre, kabaludaan ko ng lakas dito sa iya ha. Kay gitagaan ko niya o di basta-basta. Wapa na, diskarte, kumbaga perfect wife. For me, I have received already the best wish I could ever ask.
Nahanap din kita. Nahanap din kita.
My dearest love, growing up, fairly good ako ra isa. As an only child, there were moments when I wished I had someone to share my world with. Even as a little girl, I dreamed of having a person I could laugh with, cry with, tell my stories to, celebrate every milestone with, and grow old beside. Deep down, all I ever wanted was to find someone I could finally call home. Niabot ka sa akong kinabuhi. You made me realize that ikaw raday akong ginalong for all this time. You're everything I had been praying for even before I truly knew you.
O hilaga ang bawat daan ko ay patungo, ay pabalik.
The light was created, and God said it was good. The earth was created, and God said it was good. The sea was created, and God said it was good. The animals and all the fowls, they were all good. But suddenly God says, it is not good for the man to be alone. Sa ato pa, dunay bahin sa tawo nga dili siya masatisfy sa iyang kaptangan lamang sa mga bahandi nga ihatag sa Ginoo kaniya, dili kini makapapuno kaniya. Kinsa may makapapuno kaniya? Ang makapapuno sa iyang kasing-kasing, ang iyang tinigugma.
Hanap kita.
Love, thank you for becoming home I had been searching all my life. I love you with all my heart and I can't wait to grow old with you, build our family together and spend forever choosing you. I love you.
kagani sa chapter yun na ako nabitbit sa una pa, Isaiah 60:22. When the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. Kung kabalo ko kini ang pinaka best na time sa tanan. So mauto, I love you love. Excited na ko sa tanan. Excited na ko kung unog gusugon mo o pagpangga sa ato maabot na baby. Let's enjoy this day. Kay after ani, dili na ikaw ug ako, kundi kita na. Boom. I love you love.